And how are you? First of all, very happy New Year to all of my subscribers and friends. Today, my discussing topic is about boiler. What is the function of the boiler and what is the main operation of the boiler inside a steam power plant, and how many type of boiler are there, and as per their pressures, as per their tube content, and as per their fuel used, as per their draught systems. So let's start about what is boiler and their different functions. So today my discussing topic is about boiler. So what is boiler? It is an enclosed pressure vessels in which water is converted into steam by gaining heat from any source. The source of the boiler heat is coal, air, oil, gas, etc. Boiler in thermal power plant accumulates the steam and build up a pressure to expand it in or inside the turbine and convert the thermal energy to mechanical energy. The generator, which is connected to the turbine, converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. This is the main funda of the boiler. So boiler, boiling, we are just providing some fuel and boiling the water, and water is converting to the steam. Steam is injecting by help of the nozzle to the turbine. Turbine are starting to move, and this mechanical energy, this heat energy just forced converted the mechanical energy, and this mechanical energy converted to the electrical energy by help of the generator. So this is the main funda of the boiler. So how many type of boiler are nowadays we are using? Type of boiler based on the content, we can uh, divide the boiler into two types. The first one is the fire tube boiler and second is the water tube boiler. Inside the boiler, fire tube is present. Inside the boiler, the water tube is present. As per the position and as per the nature, its name is fire tube boiler and water tube boiler. Based on the operating pressure, different types of boiler are present. Ultra supercritical boiler, supercritical boiler, super subcritical boiler, ultra high pressure boiler, high pressure boiler, sub high pressure boiler, medium pressure boiler. So we discussed about ultra supercritical boiler. When the pressures inside the boiler will be greater than equal to 27 megapascal and the temperature crossed greater than equal to 590 degrees Celsius, the boiler will be ultra supercritical boiler. Supercritical boiler. Supercritical boiler, the pressures in between 22.1 megapascal to 27 megapascals. In between these two megapascal pressures, we will consider it as a supercritical boiler. Subcritical boiler, if the pressures will be 16.7 megapascal to 22.1 megapascal, so it will be considered as a subcritical boiler. Ultra high pressure boiler, in between pressure 13.7 megapascal to 16.7 megapascal, it will be the ultra high pressure boiler. High pressure boiler, if the pressures will be in between 9.8 megapascal to 13.7 megapascal, it will be considered as an high pressure boiler. Sub high pressure boiler, 5.4 megapascal to 9.8 megapascal, that will be the sub high pressure boiler. Medium pressure boiler, 3.8 megapascal to 5.4 megapascal, it will be considered as a medium pressure boiler. Depend on the different pressures inside the tubes of the boilers, we are subdivided the boiler in the different categories. As per our requirement basis, we choose the boiler for the generations of steam. Based on the fuel used, it is divided into the solid fuel fired boiler, stoker fired boiler and oil fired boiler, gas fired boiler. Stoker fired boiler, pulverized fuel boiler, pulverized bed combustion boiler. So based on the fuel use, we can divide it these types of boiler. Based on the draught system, natural draught boiler, mechanical draught boiler. So natural draught boiler and mechanical draught boiler can be divided into forced draught system, induced draught system and balanced draught system. Boiler used in subcritical, supercritical, ultra supercritical coal-fired thermal power plant, pulverized coal-fired boiler and fluidized bed combustion boiler. So different types of boilers are being used as per our requirements. So the main funda we have discussed today about the function of the boiler. What is the function of the boiler and how the boilers has been used in the power plant for generations of steam, and different types of boilers we use nowadays for different categories. So friend, if you interested to see my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more different types of power plant related, substation related, transmissions line related video. If you interested, please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends and colleague obviously. Thank you my subscriber. Again I am telling, this is the first video of 2024. So again, happy new year to my subscribers and upcoming subscriber. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.